Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to make your Facebook in dark mode. So by the end of this video, you will learn how to do them. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to open our Facebook app, and after opening our Facebook app, all you have to do is to go here on the top right corner, click this three line right here. After clicking, just scroll down at the bottom and then click this settings and privacy. After clicking, you will see this dark mode button right here. Just click, and after clicking, you will now be able to switch your Facebook from light mode to dark mode. So just click on, then as you can see, if we go back, our Facebook is now on dark mode. So that is basically it for this video. Guys, for watching Tech Tricks tutorial. I hope you learned something, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day everyone.